I'm out here this morning with my beautiful dog Hudson, who's waiting on the path up there. And we're near Glen Canyon. We went to Horseshoe Bend yesterday. I don't know if you can see, the cars are all the way down there. We had some neighbors last night actually. We were all climbed in our cars and we heard like probably at least 5 different sets of people pull in, and 2 of them stayed. Hudson wants to get in. He wants Uncle John to get up.
Watch out. You watched out? I don't think you could have timed that better.
Oh, Uncle John is awake. Everybody's happy.
We are heading to part of Lake Powell. We're heading to Lone Rock Beach. This is getting ready over there. It's a brisk 36 out this morning.
We're pulling up to Lake Powell. Wow, it looks awesome. You ready to check it out, Boo-Boo? Yeah, let's go see Lake Powell.
We are at Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. We're going to Lone Rock Beach. Hudson's here. We're stopping to get a picture with the sign because we can. I'm gonna get rid of some trash real quick. Don't worry, it's for public use.
We are driving down to the beach. I don't know if John is gonna follow me this way or not.
We like being healthy here, so donuts for breakfast. Yeah. This is Lone Rock Beach. You can see it's about 50 feet low.
Hudson, hey, come here. Hudson, come here.
He wanted to go in.
Come here.
Come here.
Keep your feet out of the water. Yeah, come here. Let him be down there.
Well, I can't get him down there.
Go climb down. Come on, man.
Come here.
Johnny's not willing to move. Look at his feet. Oh my god. He's so dirty.
He has sunken in. I'm not getting closer because I don't want to sink.
Oh my god, Hudson. Are you able to take him in? Yeah, look at those feet. That is disgusting.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go dry off. Yeah, we're cleaning off the dirty feet. Don't get too deep, Hudson. Don't get too deep. Hudson! Come here. Yeah, now your feet are cleaner. Nice. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, up this way. Up this way. Come on. Stay out of the mud. Come on. Stay out of the mud. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Let's go. Sand is fine. That will dry off you. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Okay. This is Lake Powell. I'm sure John has already said that. Whew. Climbing up sand is hard. I got the moon out over here, and John is climbing back up the hill over here. Hi. Oh, he's so happy. He likes to be dirty and sandy. Oh. Get it. Get it. What you getting? You getting a rock? Was that delicious? Life is good when you're a golden retriever. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Let's keep walking.
So Hudson smells bad, so Jess is gonna clean him.
Okay. We're taking some shampoo. I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna scrub his legs down. Get up front. Come on, up here. It smells like shampoo now. We are leaving Lake Powell. I just washed Hudson's legs off because they stank, because he got in the mud and into the water. So, not good smelling. But I just scrubbed him with some shampoo real quick. And he keeps licking his legs, which he needs to not do. But now we're headed to the laundromat. Got all my laundry in there. $4. 25 minutes. And now Johnny's got the big honker of a machine over here.
Yeah.
$9.
Somebody always seem to have way more laundry than Jess.
I don't know how, but you do. And 23 minutes. Machine 6 and 18. We're gonna go dry our clothes now. And now we got 7 minutes. Laundry's done. Got all my clothes. And we're going back to the car to fold them and put them away. There's all my clothes folded up in the piles. Now I gotta grab the bags to put them away, which are right over here. And he's sleeping. So I'm gonna grab all these bags out and put them away now. Laundry is done, folded, and put away. Now we're gonna celebrate with a cookie. John, you can see his truck. No, you can't. Oh yeah, all the way over there. There's his truck. Half his laundry is dried, but the other half is still drying. So we're just waiting on him now, like 30 more minutes. We are done with laundry, and now we're going to hike. Woohoo!